I'm sorry, self, for silencing the soft, for doubting the still, the calm aloft. Please forgive the rest I deny, the gentle voice I pushed aside. I'm sorry, soul, for hiding my fire, for fearing my strength, my pure desire. Please forgive the times I held back, afraid to lead, afraid to act. Thank you,